Whoa, hey guys, welcome to Phone Brother, and today we have a new device for you. It's from the OPPO, and this time we have the OPPO latest flagship super camera phone, OPPO Find X8 Ultra. This time the works with Hasselblad to provide this super powerful camera phone and quad camera system and 4 50 megapixel camera, rear camera, Periscope Telephoto, wide angle, LED flashlight, and also this time they bring you 2 special buttons, and here's the power and value, but here there's a special for the camera, and we can long press to take a photo and long press to take plenty of photo. Just a single press and you can take a single photo, and here is the customized key, and we can long press to get the different functions. Okay, so I've tested later, and first, okay, let's go to the settings to check the basic information about the device. And today we go outside and it's very comfortable. So the Find X8 Ultra ColorOS 15 is based on Android. Yes, 15. And now RAM and ROM, 60 GB RAM plus 12 GB virtual RAM. You can adjust it. No. 512 GB ROM, and it's use the Snapdragon 8 Elite mobile platform and 6100 battery with 100 watt capable fast charging and 50 watt air wireless fast charging. Display 6.82 2K display resolution. Here, the front camera 32 megapixel. And GPU. Okay, it's the GPU information. RAM and ROM and CPU virtualization. This is also very powerful functions from OPPO Find X8 Ultra. Charging, super adaptive eye care, and we can check the display here. Yes, light mode, dark mode, and for the eye comfortable, and also the Nature Pro viewed color mode, the screen size, and the screen resolution. We can choose high or standard. It's 2K, and this is the difference between these two devices. So if you want to, it can be more energy saving, you can choose the normal. And screen refresh rate, high 120, standard 60. And also you can use the auto select mode. Okay, so next let's go to the settings. Go to the camera, sorry. So the photo, portrait, more, slow motion, no exposure, photo, video, master. For the Pro, you can adjust the ISO, UV, AF, autofocus, white balance, ISO. Okay, first let's go to the photo, normal one, from this angle. Normal. Wide angle. 2 times. 120 times. Oh, front. Portrait. Master. The master mode also supports wide angle and maximum 10 times. So this is the camera. again. And now we just try to use this button. Simple press, take a picture. Long press for plenty of images. Snap. Yes, so very useful and button. And next, this one. Already setting the long press to get the LED flashlight, and again to turn off. For this customized button, here you can choose the flashlight, camera, do not disturb, sound authorization, memo clip. Okay, let's translate. We will use this, just set it. Okay. You can also choose photo, portrait, or video. Okay, just normal photo. And then long press, yes, camera, and then use this. Very useful system for the physical button. Yes. This time, I think for the OPPO, it's a very powerful and very big step for this device. It's straight screen. Check from this angle, and still power camera solutions they provide. And also this time for the night vision, they really did good, and I will test it later in the following videos. Okay, thanks for watching my short content and quick hands-on about the OPPO Find X8 Ultra. Let's stay tuned, waiting for more catch on here. Bye bye. OPPO Find X8 Ultra night vision test. Okay, it's dark night now, and now I turn off the light, and later I will turn off the light, and I will testing the camera. Okay, so this is the normal status. Zoom, maximum, 120 times. Master, video, photo, portrait, more, and here's the night vision. Now I will turn off the light and testing the night vision. Okay, now I turn off the light and turn on the night mode, and now I'm testing. Okay, normal. 10. So this is night vision, and I put sample pictures. Wow, at the end of the video. Nice. This is the normal, and this is the night vision. Cool. Nice.